Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jyoti Prakash and let's get into the video. So now let's look into Bank Nifty in one day candle chart. In one day candle chart, you can clearly see that today Bank Nifty tried to closes below 42,000 level and it also made low around 41,700 level, which I told you yesterday that your first target may around that 14,700 level, and if it breaks that level tomorrow, then you can take trade for selling also after that. But today it took support from that 14,750 level and it tried to go up, and right now it trades above 40,000 level. The most important thing you can notice here, it continuously 3 days it closes below, trades below 40,000 level, but at the end it trades above 40,000 level. That means it took support from that level and it tries to closes above 40,000 level continuously. So if tomorrow once again it breaks that level 40,000 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and it may be show some 500 to 600 point movement on Friday. And previously also on expiry day market did not move properly, but on Friday it shows some good movement. So maybe it happened that, but another thing may happen that it continuously sustaining that 40,000 level. So it may be happen that it opens flat and open gap up and tries to goes up, and you can set your target to 40,700 to 800. Okay, now let's look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, you can one thing you can clearly see that it tried to closes above 40,000 level, but it did not sustain there, and after that it shows some rapid movement here, and it goes around 41,750 level. So but around that 750 level it shows some W pattern here and it goes up. So if tomorrow also it opens flat and opens gap up and trades above 40,200 or 300, then you can expect some buying pressure here also. And as I said, okay, you can set our target to 40,600 to 40,700. So if it opens up gap down and if it trades below 42,000 or 41,900 level tomorrow, then you can expect some selling pressure here also. And their target, our target will be 14,500 to 14,300. And that's all for Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart. Nifty in one day candle chart also makes similar kind of pattern here as Bank Nifty, and it also did not so closes below 17,800 level, and it continuously took support from that 17,800 level. So if tomorrow it breaks that, then it may be happen that there will be more seller added there, because expiry also gone today, and tomorrow is Friday, so it may be happen that if it trades below, then there are no so many sellers should be added. And it may be happen that it opens gap up. So if it opens gap up, then it may be sustains and it will maybe go sideways, because it continuously shows negative movement for the 3 days. And if it opens gap up, then some buyer will be added there, but it may be goes sideways for that. Now let's look into in 15-minute candle. In 15 candle, you can clearly see that one thing, it opens flat and closes goes down, and but at the end it shows some W pattern here and try to go up. So if that pattern continues, or if it trades above 17,800 level, 17,880 level, and try to closes above, then I will going to take trade for buying, and you can set our target to 17,970 to round level 18,000. If it gaps up around 18,000 level or 17,950 level and shows any kind of negative scenario there, then you can take trade for selling. And you can set your target until 17,850 to 17,800 level. And if it opens a gap down, then let it closes below 70,760 or 50. Then after that we can expect some selling pressure here also, and you can set our target to 70,650 to 70,600. And that's it all for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty components. In Bank Nifty components, our first component will be HDFC Bank as always, and today HDFC Bank sustains around the 1600 level and did not closes above that. So if tomorrow it continuously closes above that 1600 level by opening gap up or opening flat, then you can take it for selling. And also Bank Nifty also looks some kind of positive there. Then if it closes above that 1600 level, then maybe Bank Nifty also trades above 40,300 level. And now let's look into ICICI Bank. In ICICI Bank, it also makes similar kind of pattern here. It did not closes below 860 level. It continuously sustained that 860 to 855 level for the continuous 3 days. So if it breaks that tomorrow, then you can start some selling pressure here, and you can set our target to 843 to 840 level. And for taking any kind of buying trade, you need to wait it to closes above 865. Then after that, you can take trade for buying. In SBI Bank, you can see that one pole and flag pattern also made here, and it continuously goes down for almost 5 to 6 days and took support from here. And today it shows negative movement, but at the end it now trades around 595. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow it closes below 590, then after that you can set trade for selling, and you can set your target until 580. For taking any kind of buying trade, my suggestion would be, let it closes above 600 with some positive movement or some strong volume, then after that you can take trade for buying. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, it also made some large selling candle here, and you can clearly see that it is when it opens gap up above 1800 level, and when it closes below that 800 level, it shows some rapid selling pressure here. Right now it trades around 1779. So my suggestion would be, if it opens flat or opens gap down and it trades below 1775 or 70, then after that you can take trade for selling, and you can set our target to 1760 to 1755. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it shows some selling pressure here, and also previously told you, if it trades it below 940, then you can expect some selling pressure here also. And after that it closes below 940 and made low around 924. So if tomorrow it tries to go down by opening flat or opening small gap down, then you can take trade for selling. But if it opens gap down around 920 or 25, and it continuously you can see that it continuously goes down for almost 3 days. So if it opens gap down, then it may be happen that there's some buying happening around that lower price. So if it opens flat, you can take trade for selling, and if it opens large gap down, then you will going to wait for any kind of positive movement there. This is our last bank, which is IndusInd Bank. And IndusInd Bank, when it closes below 1210, it made low around level 1200 or 1197. So my suggestion would be, let it closes below 1200 level for taking any kind of selling trade, and you can set your target until 1180 to 1170. For any buying, my suggestion would be, let it closes above 1220 or 25, then after that you can check out some selling pressure, buying pressure here, and you can set your target to 1240 level. And that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it. And bye bye everyone.